this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I wanted to come on here because I was going to bring you all a DTF video of me making shirts and all of that different stuff. But when I told you, if you looked at my video on Instagram where I posted like a little motivational quote, and I said perfection is overrated, it is. So what I did, I wanted to learn DTF. So I went, bought the DTF transfer film, bought the powder and all of that. And I think I made like 3 shirts that was really, really good before I had messed up previous shirts. So let me show you the shirts that I messed up. All right. So these are the shirts that I messed up. My family and I, we went to Disney World for Christmas. And we surprised our kids with this Disney trip. So I was trying to sneak and make Disney shirts for everyone. All right, so what I wanted to do was the DTF film. Now let me show you this shirt right here. I hope you can see. Now this is one of the shirts that I did, that I tried to do. And this was with DTF. I think this was the one with sublimation. I could not get the sublimation right. I have an an Epson ET 2760 printer that I converted over to sublimation. Now every time I put the transfer film, and the transfer film is really thin, it looks just like this. Let me show you. This is what I did. This is one that I messed up. Now this one came, this one I did with, I think this was sublimation also. And as you see, I don't know what I did wrong, but it did not transfer on the t-shirt the proper way. Okay, here's another one that I did. So you see how thin this transfer film is. Now you see this, and you see this at the bottom. Now this came from me pulling this out because it actually got stuck in my Epson ET 2760. So for whatever reason, the transfer film is not feeding through my printer, my Epson ET 2760. So what I decided to do, instead of messing up shirts, because I had already messed up too many shirts, I've already showed you some of the shirts that I messed up, and these are the other ones that did not come out right. All right, this is another one. This is the one that I did for my oldest daughter, and as you see, it did not come out right. This is not what I wanted, so I messed that one up. And we all know shirts cost too much for it to be messed up. Now this is one that I tried to do on black. Now look at that. It did not come out at all. So I'm not sure if you can do DTF on black. Maybe I was supposed to buy another DTF transfer film or sheet. And if anyone on here is good at DTF and you have perfected it, you know what you're doing, please let me know what I am doing wrong, because I'm learning. And I want to come on here just to, you know, we learning together. That's why I started this channel, because I'm not perfect and I want to learn. So if anyone on here know what I'm doing wrong, please let me know in the comment section. Contact me or whatever, because I need to know, because I do not like wasting shirts. Now I have to figure out something I can do in order to cover this up, in order to still use my shirts, okay? So this is another one that I did. Now this shirt to me wasn't 100% a total loss or total waste. Let me see if I can stand up to show you. You see? But it wasn't really what I wanted. But I could still wear it if I wanted to. Okay? It wasn't like the other ones. The other ones was just, to me, I was not even going to even try that. All right? So let me show you 2 of them. Actually, it was more than 2 that I did with my inkjet printer that actually worked. Now, some of them I did with my inkjet printer also, it didn't work. But these were the ones that actually did work. Now, I'm still trying to figure out what was the difference or what I did different. All right, so this is a shirt that I made for my husband to go to Disney World. This is Mickey. And all I did was just something different. I just placed our picture on the inside of the face of Mickey, okay? You know, playing around, trying something different. Okay, that turned out pretty good. This one was one that I made for my oldest daughter, and it turned out amazing. Again, this is with the inkjet printer. All right, so I was looking, I was like, what did I do different from the shirts that I messed up? because after I did these shirts, I went back and tried. I'm gonna show you something else that I did too, and it didn't take. And I did the same thing. Now this is another shirt that I did that I took with me. Now this is my shirt, and it came out pretty good. Okay, so like I said, these are the films that I did. The actual print came out. I put the powder on just like I was supposed to. I did everything like I was supposed to. Maybe I left the heat press on too long. This is one that I tried to do. It did not come out right. This was the one for sublimation. All right. This was another one for, I think this was either sublimation or my inkjet printer. Okay. And this was another one. As you see, I don't know if I didn't leave the heat on long enough or what, but I wasted these transfer sheets. I really did. But I'm the type, I don't quit. I'm going to continue to try and see what I did wrong. Why did I get a few of the shirts right and got the rest of the shirts wrong? All right, so I was gonna bring you another video today. I was gonna do just a straight video of DTF, but this is the shirt that I was doing last night. I want to make me an Alabama State shirt. This is what came out. This is DTF, again, using my inkjet printer. Do you see how this looks? I don't know if I didn't leave the heat on long enough or what, but as you see, let me give you a closer look. Do you see how it looked? It didn't come out all the way right, okay? Now, here's another one. And this is the first one that I did because I really wanted to make me a hoodie because, y'all, it's getting cool, a little chilly here in Alabama. So I need to get me a hoodie, and I wanted, again, the Alabama State logo to make me an Alabama State shirt. Look at this. This is another DTF transfer film that I use, and I use my inkjet printer. All right. As you can see, did nothing come out but like plastic. And you can tell that part of the design came out, but it didn't come out all the way like I wanted. Okay, so I'm not going to waste my hoodie. So what I decided to do is to print the same design that I had printed once before, Alabama State. And I'm wearing this. I'm not selling the Alabama State shirt or anything like that. And I'm going to use my sublimation printer, again, my Epson ET2760, to sublimate the same design on my sublimation paper and then put it on this hoodie, because this is, you know, your sublimation, you have to do polyester. Now, this is 50% cotton and 50% polyester, so I can use that. This shirt here, this is 100% cotton. I cannot use sublimation on cotton. I tried it before when I made, my twins had to have a camouflage for school, and I made the shirt, I had a cotton shirt that I used to put the camouflage on using sublimation. When I washed it, you can't even tell that I even did the shirt. And I'm going to show you that shirt in a minute because it is completely faded. But I'm going to redo this. I'm going to redo the hoodie, but I don't know. Maybe I just have to use this for a sleeping shirt because I know I cannot use sublimation on cotton unless I do some other kind of way. But we're going to work that out later. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can take my hoodie and use sublimation on top of this part that, you know, is messed up. We're going to see. Okay. We're here to learn. We're here to grow together. So let me go ahead, print out my design. I'm going in Canva, print my design out. If you need to know how to use Canva, I have some videos on here that you can watch. I'm going ahead and print out the design. And then we're going to come back and we're going to see if it works. All right, let's go. All right, everyone. So what I'm going to do with the black hoodie that I showed you, that I tried to do the DTF on, the DTF sublimation hack on, and it didn't work. I am just going to take this design that I printed in Canva. I did it myself, and I'm just going to add this to my black hoodie. Now, this is actually sublimation paper, as you can see here. I'm using my Ieasha paper, and I'm just going to see if I can sublimate on top of this DTF that I did. So let me show you what I'm going to do. All right, so remember, this is the black hoodie. This is the DTF that I did, and it did not take on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and sublimate on top of this, and we're going to see if it works, okay? So let's go. All right, so I'm going to take my design and just place it face down over the same exact area where I did the actual the DTF. And I'm just going to take my sublimation tape it around, and then I'm going to heat it up, okay? So we're going to try this, and we're going to see how it works, because like I said, I do not want to mess up a hoodie. Now my t-shirts, I'm not sure, because I know I can't sublimate over those shirts because they are cotton shirts. This is 50% cotton and 50% polyester, so I know that with sublimation I can do the 50-50 blend, okay? All right, so now I'm going to take my butcher paper and place it over my design. I'm going to be using my Cricut Easy Press right here. I've set my time at 350 for 60 seconds. So let's go ahead and check it, see what it do. All right, y'all, so I was just trying again to see if I can sublimate on top of that DTF, because I do not want to mess up my hoodie, but I don't think it's going to work, because as you see, the design that I put on second, it came through, but you can also see the ASU, the hornets here that I did. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it up, and look, it did not take at all. Let me pull it up. All right, so as you see, I am trying to pull the paper off, and the paper is stuck. So this hoodie, I'm going to have to get rid of. So if you ever have a DTF that didn't take, don't try to sublimate on top of it, okay? This is something I just tried, because like I said, we're here to learn, and we're here to grow, and we're here to try new things. But this is a fail. All right, so like I said, with this one, the paper is really hard to come off. I mean, you know, so I still like DTF, because DTF is it's easy, and it's an easy like sublimation hack that you can do, because like I said, these other shirts came out amazing. This one, amazing. This one that I did on another hoodie for my husband. Uh-oh, not that one, I'm sorry, let me see. The other one that I did for my husband on this sweatshirt, amazing. But like I said, it's just kind of like trial and error until you actually learn how to do it. But I will purchase it again. I will be buying some more transfer film, because I used all of them. I only bought, I think it was like 15 in the pack just to try it out. So if you want to try it, go ahead. I would say to try it, but make sure you know what you're doing, and to learn more about it, and to really practice and get the hang of it, so that you won't waste any t-shirts, hoodies, or your transfer film. I would say that certain ones was a pass or a success, and certain ones was a fail. And it's on me. You know, we all have to learn, we all have to grow, and you know, it's okay to fail, because we're not perfect. But continue to practice and continue to grow. And if you just want to try and practice, I would say maybe go to the Dollar Tree and get some of their shirts. Their shirts are $1.25 instead of starting out with expensive shirts, just to practice on, so that you won't waste your money. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have an amazing day. I hope you all have a great new year, because New Year is coming up. Today is Saturday, so actually it's New Year's Eve. So happy New Year's Eve to each and every one of you. I hope that you have a great new year, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.